Okay, recording now.
Oh.
Hello, what's your name?
I'm Bernice.
And how old would you say you are?
I'm 850, but don't tell me what.
Okay, good. And let's say, how long have you been in America? How many centuries, I guess?
How many centuries? I've lost probably like 2 centuries.
Yeah. Oh, well, I remember like 4 or 5 ago, we met in England, and well, the accent just stopped, didn't it?
What's that?
The accent stopped.
Yeah, I don't even remember the accent that I had before.
I think it was like Mesopotamian or something.
Mesopotamia? That don't even exist anymore.
Oh, no, it's like now that, well, no, I don't even remember. I don't really be good at history. Anyway, how you doing?
No, don't be shy.
You can't be shy in front of the camera.
Say hello, Brooke.
Hello, Brooke.
This is Brooke.
This is Brooke. She's incredibly shy for a deity, but
she's gonna rate your tomato.
she's fresh out of 250, so people give her a break. All right.
It's childishly sweet.
Yes, she
I
is.
just want to eat you up.
So, Brooke, just say hello to the camera.
Hello.
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 Isn't she just adorable?
She's just a peach.
She is a peach. Stop hiding between your knees. They're quite small anyway, so you can't really hide anything.
I have modeled central character on you.
Hello.
Hello again. So tell me, Bernice, let's see. I had a question in my head, but it just disappeared.
Like all of your thoughts.
That's not nice.
I would die.
Not nice in the least.
I'm just teasing you because you're young.
So we were supposed to go out, like, I don't know, 50 years ago to see a few, was it a mass execution? Or a concert? I can't really remember.
It was an execution, I remember, I was very excited.
Oh yeah, I remember the blood now. It's really noisy.
What are you going to do?
I can't do anything,
Why not? You're fucking deity.
Yeah, but the strength's been waning a little bit. But I just got to work out a little bit. You don't get the strength back up.
I have to go to class now.
I could see this as a recurring thing. I can.
Do you really have to go? Alright.
Well,
Bye, my love. Bye, my dear.
it's been lovely.
It's been so lovely. That's her.
She's shy in front of the camera, but she's a total slut when it comes to that.
Oh my god.
Well, we'll see you next time, I guess. Yes.
Oh no, you said it.
But don't worry, I'll cut whatever. And YouTube.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
What, really?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you're going to be so famous.
Yes. Don't worry, I'll cut off the little bits.
Where are you filming right now?
What? Not your vagina, don't worry,
You're dirty.
Well, it's just your face.
You dirty.
Do you want to see what I'm seeing? Here you go. That's you.
It's absolutely bollocks. Yeah. You wanker.
Oh, that's just not nice.
You cheeky monkey.
Oh, you're just adorable.
You fucking flamingo.
Okay, no one needs to use that type of language around me. Okay, if you're gonna be nice, be nice.
I loved it. I'm sorry. Film her.
Well, don't lift your shirt like that, It's a family show.
Your dirty pillows. This lingo is awesome.
So I figure, what should I call this video?
Fucking flamingo. Fucking flamingo.
Fucking flamingo.
Fucking. I can't get your accent. Is it fucking?
Fucking flamingo.
Fucking.
Fucking flamingo.
Flamingo.
What? Oh, I figured, Anyway, so I guess we're hitting some downtime, so I'll just stop the video now and then continue on with thank you for that. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, you're adorable. See you, Bernice.
Bye.